Hello everybody, it's Charlie Crypt here, and today in this video, I will be showing you how to play Google Play Store apps, like this one right here. I got Showbox on here, and other apps from like your Android phone on your Chromebook. And this is not anything. I'm not using that stupid apps that'll let you play like 4 games. It's any app on the Google Play Store. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your files. This is just for later. Come on. And make sure you have just an empty folder. This one isn't empty because it has stuff in it, but just make yourself a new folder, call it apps, call it whatever you want. But, oh, audio will be choppy up. Yeah, this is really weird recording. I have 2 apps in here right now, but it's going to be empty when you use it. And then you're going to need to go to your web store. And you're going to need to download Vine. Like Vine, the video sharing app. It's being slow for me. Vine. And the one that says available for Android, this one. I already got it, so you download that. And then you're going to want to make sure that get on here, go down to more tools, extensions. So make sure somewhere in here you have, whoa, loud noises. Make sure you have app runtime for Chrome beta. If you're watching this in the future, it might not say beta, but you're going to need app runtime. And you can get that by downloading Vine. And that's what you can do for now on the computer, but you're going to need an Android phone. We're going to hop over to the Android phone now, so see ya there. Alright, now that you're on your Android phone, you're going to need to get an app. It is called Archon Package. You can hear it, there's the spelling right there. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks like this. To download it, you're going to open it up. Click next. Make sure you can either take an APK or just an installed app that's already on your phone. I'm just going to do that for an example. And you're going to give it, and these are all the apps that are on your phone. I was thinking about doing this app because I go to school and this is helping me get my grades, and it's easier to use on the phone than it is from the computer. You can set however you want. Tablet mode does not work in portrait, but it does work in landscape. So I'm just going to keep it phone portrait. And then enable access to app files. You don't need to do the enable ADB. You're just going to need that one. You're going to click next. Share Chrome application. The easiest way to do this is just to send it to your drive. Save. And you're done with this app now. Now you go to your drive. You can see how long it takes. But this is a small app. It's downloaded Skyward Zip. And that's what you're going to need to do from your phones. We're going to hop back on the computer. We'll see you there. Alright, now that we're back on our computer, we're going to need to go to your Google Drive. And make sure it's the same one that you sent the zip file to. This is my school one, so I'm going to hop over onto my personal one, which is where I sent the file to. Alright. Hopefully you don't run into this same thing. It's actually slow because I'm using the recording right now, but what you gotta do, and you'll scroll and you'll find it. Here it is, Skyward Zip. And oh my gosh, it's still getting choppy. If it was so choppy, yeah, you gotta just find Skyward Zip. Right click on that. Download it. It won't take very long at all. It's already downloaded. And now we go back into your files right here. We'll give it a minute, and this app that you have earlier, that apps are going to need that, but then you're going to see this Skyward Zip. You're going to double click on that. You'll open up, you're going to copy it, go to your downloads right here, open up your apps, and you're just going to click anywhere in this big white open space, paste it, and you see it right there, Skyward. And then, once you've done that, you can close this, and we're going to go back to these extensions where you made sure you had app runtime. Then way up here, you're going to click Load Unpacked Extension. You can open up double clicking on this apps folder, and then click on your app that you want to have. Click that, and now you can see it right there. Once you go into your apps, there it is, Skyward. And when I open this, you have to give it a second. It'll tell you, it'll bring you to your downloads. You just gotta a second in here, and then this is where you can just go into this apps, Skyward. Not what I meant to do, but open in general. You don't double click on it, you just click open on it. And if you see that little thing, you get it. Now I have this app running on my phone, and and I'll prove to you that it works. This is a version of a tablet. This is what tablet landscape looks like. It's never going to be full screen, but this is pretty cool. This Showbox app lets me see every time you open up an app, it's going to give you this, but it's not difficult to get through. Just, again, it already brought me to my downloads, so Showbox, click on it, open. You see that little thing up there? That means you got it right. You're going to give it a second. And there we go. Now we got Showbox, where I can watch free movies and free TV shows in full, and they come out the next day. Get Showbox. It's an awesome app. But that is how you use Android apps on